1. Provides comfortable, effective way to stop snoring. 2. Helps you and your partner to have a better sleep. 3. Wake up refreshed without fatigue. 4. Designed for easy daily use. 5. Supports with jaw dislocation problem. 6. Safe and comfortable, high-quality materials. 7. Especially if it happens frequently, not only can it prevent to snore from entering REM sleep. 8. Properly rejuvenate that it also disturbs everyone who are close enough to hear them, primarily their sleep. 9. Partner well. The right mattress is essential in getting a good night's rest. 10. It's really of no use when you can't enjoy the deepest stages of sleep. 11. Now today we're going to be analyzing the My Snoring Solution Snore Strap. 12. Keep in mind that we aren't doctors here at the Sleep Judge, but we did try this product out on my sleep partner who suffers with obstructive sleep apnea. 13. So I think that we have some pretty relevant feedback that you can take advantage of. 14. Now I was excited to try out the My Snoring solution since it was featured on the American Medical Review with CBS. 15. So let's see if it lived up to the hype. First, let's get an understanding of how anti-snoring snore strap work in general. They're designed to keep the lower jaw in an upward position as we fall asleep. Our muscles relax and they are even paralyzed to a certain extent when we enter REM sleep. 16. Now if you've ever had a dream where you were running but you just couldn't seem to get your legs to move fast, then you have first-hand experience of this fact. It also explains why the jaw tends to fall down and the tongue and upper airway muscles fall backward. When this happens, the airway becomes blocked. 17. Keep the jaw in place to prevent the tongue and the soft tissue from falling back into the throat area. Well, the device does allow for small movements of the jaw. Your mouth will remain closed for the most part. This is good for a couple of reasons. Now, for starters, nitric oxide is produced in your sinuses and this helps decrease the oxygen deprivation. Delivery of oxygen is further promoted since air through the nose warmed and moistened. 18. Now it's really easy to put on with the black side away from your skin. Place the strap under your snore strap and pull it over your face on to the top of your head. Make sure the bottom is positioned slightly below your bottom lip. Now it should fit snugly but comfortably. 19. I really like that My Snore solution that provides you with 2 sizes, and I think this really adds to the overall value. Now Michael has been using this product for over a week and it did reduce his snoring, but I did notice some rumblings on occasion, but they were pretty minimal for the most part. He sleeps with his mouth closed naturally, so I don't think his snoring really stemmed so much from the lower jaw falling down. In his case, MADs tends to work really well. 20. These products work to move the lower jaw forward rather than upward, so in our case it wasn't the most effective product. However, I think this is situational. If you snore and you tend to fall asleep with your mouth open, I Definitely think my snoring solution is worth considering. Now it stays on very well, so I think it could prove compatible for the restless sleeper who moves around a lot with similar products. #21. We've found them to easily slip off during the night. Furthermore, you don't have to wear anything in your mouth, so you're not gonna have to worry about the excessive jaw soreness that's often associated with mouthpieces if you wear dentures. Many mouthpieces aren't even going to work. #22. So I think that this could be an effective alternative. On the other hand, if you suffer with issues like deviated septum, nasal polyps, or other issues that require you to breathe through your mouth,